I'm Carrie Pena, and this is Avondale Edge. Here at City Hall in Avondale, leadership has really prioritized innovation. In fact, they have an actual innovation team. The list of innovation success stories here in Avondale is fast growing. From the ACOS Medical Plaza, where there is 68,000 square feet of Class A medical space and on-demand services with cutting-edge technology, to school districts like Litchfield, which is training their employees in what's called conscious discipline. No idea is too big or too forward-thinking. We met up with Economic Development Director Ken Chapa to talk about their innovative approach, and we started with a basic question: what is innovation?
It's the polar opposite of the status quo. Okay, and here in Avondale, and just me in general, we're always challenging the status quo. What can we do to grow? What can we do to get better? Innovation in Avondale is enterprise. It's everything from entrepreneurs entering the workforce and doing something brand new, all the way up to the larger companies that are relocating or expanding their operations into Avondale.
OnePointOne is vertical farming, so indoor controlled environment, and soilless, sunless, and grows upwards on a vertical wall. And so we are the only company that can do aeroponics vertically. Agriculture hasn't really been changed in 100 years, and there's a lot of need for it, not just environmentally but healthy. Our products are zero pesticides, zero heavy metals, and it's as clean of a product as you can get. Currently we're in San Jose, right outside of Silicon Valley, and we are moving to Avondale at the end of this year. We should be fully operational.
Talk to me about the decision. I mean, some people would say, wow, you guys are, you're packing your bags from Silicon Valley and you're moving to Avondale, Arizona.
Yeah, there's a lot of talent here. Talent pool's big. Energy is at a much better price than it is in California. You're seeing a big shift in a lot of companies heading out of California and coming to different areas. And we currently have just under 100 people, and that's growing every day. So we're going into a 60,000 square foot facility. OnePointOne was founded because this millennium started with 1.1 billion people malnourished. Our goal is to nourish all those people.
PhotoCentric is a technology and innovation company that has developed technology for producing, fabricating items from photopolymer.
Why did you decide to set up shop in Avondale?
We were looking for a building where we could create a world-class manufacturing facility. And the city and the economic development team were fantastic in working with us. We knew we had a partner in moving here, and we know we're well on our way to opening a great facility. Our founder, Paul Holt, is a brilliant man who's the managing director still of the company, and he has a vision to be the largest producer of photopolymer products in the world. So we know that we need to expand dramatically, and we have very high demand for our products.
Innovation in Avondale, it also means education. We emphasize innovation from preschool all the way through advanced degrees. A great example of that is what they're doing in the Littleton School District.
We think that the idea of being able to learn in many places at the same time is actually going to be more like the learning environment and the workplace of the future. People aren't going to get on airplanes to travel to conferences as much as they used to because of the things now you can learn by accessing remote technologies. Swivl is being implemented this year. What Swivl does then is allows the teacher to teach to the classroom while somebody can be learning remotely at the same time. Our big challenge is getting the kids, the families, and the teachers more and more comfortable with the innovation to where instead of feeling like second nature, it feels more like first nature, and you're not paying attention so much to what the Swivl camera is doing as you are to what the kids are doing.
I can't talk about education and innovation without talking about Estrella Mountain Community College.
Over the course of the pandemic, economic developer Ken Chopra, he reached out to us and said, is there a way for us to increase the social media footprint of some of the small business here in Avondale? So we developed a very short program to enable small businesses to take a quick course and increase their social media footprints, hoping to bring that traffic in a virtual environment to their businesses.
They are doing some of the coolest stuff I've ever seen a community college do. They have an artificial intelligence degree. They have an incredible partnership with Microsoft. Innovation should be accessible to everybody because it is accessible to everybody. And it's about getting people in the mindset of getting comfortable about being innovative. There are no barriers to it. Innovation in Avondale is environmental. Avondale is the only city in the entire country that recharges water in the way we do. We have a series of aquifers and wetlands that provide not only the opportunity to recharge the water, but also produce an incredible experience for our residents and our visitors. Included in that, Avondale has its own tilapia farm that's part of this process. We're using fish, it's using these tilapia to help build that ecosystem. That's pretty thoughtful and that's pretty ingenious and that's pretty cool. And I wish I could take credit for it, but I would. But a lot of people don't even realize that's what a lot of our lakes are, that they're part of that system. They just see it as an amenity. They don't understand that they're actually a functional part of this recharge system. About every quarter, we go out, we do a mass volunteer effort where we go clean up the Tres Rios, it's wilderness area. It's the merging of the Agua Fria, the Gila, and the Salt River. And it's a beautiful wetland area. We make it a priority to keep that clean, not only for us, but for our visitors as well. When you're dealing with those younger residents, those younger workers, the environment is very important and they want to be part of the solution for those environmental concerns. Change is gonna happen. Change is a constant. The only thing that causes change to be negative is not accepting it. Environmental, enterprise, education. At the end, that innovation, that thought process, that initiative, that's what gives Avondale its edge.